What's up, people? Today we are going to look at aliasing. Aliasing is also important in SQL because it helps us rename columns to the names that we prefer. In our case, let's go back to our group by statement that we used before. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the Hello guys, today we are going to look at aliasing. Aliasing is basically a way to rename our columns in SQL. For example, we can go back to our group by clause. We had the gender from the employee demographics table. Then we grouped it by gender. So when you run that, as you can see, we have grouped that column. Now let's find the average age as we did in the past video. As you can see, the average ages of female and males, 38 and 41. Now, when it comes to aliasing, we might want to change the column name. Like here, we have the column name is average age, but we might want to make it more suitable or just refine it more. So that's where aliasing comes in. In aliasing, we are changing the average age column into, we are giving it a new name. Let's give it, let's say just average underscore name. So what this does is it changes the name from AVG age to average age. So average age. So when we run that, now you can see our column name has been changed successfully to average age. You can change it to any name that you prefer, but basically this is how we alias in SQL. See you in the next one.